Hi everyone! My name is Daniela and I am a Youth Services Librarian with Vaughan Public Libraries. You may recognize me from the Woodbridge Library branch. Today I want to show you how to make something called a thaumatrope. A thaumatrope is an optical toy popularized in the 19th century during Victorian times. A disc with an image on either side is attached to two pieces of string. When the string is twirled quickly between your fingers, the two images blend into one. This is due to something called the persistence of vision. When an image is shown to your retina, the retina continues to respond for a short amount of time, even after the image itself is gone away. If a new image is shown directly after the previous one, your brain will blend the two images together. Our brains do this to help us understand our environment. For example, when you see a person walking by, there are many tiny little movements that they are making. However, all that you see is one continuous, smooth motion. You'll want to begin by cutting out a large paper disc. A heavier weight paper, such as cardstock or scrapbooking paper, works best. I then traced out my hand on a contrasting color of paper. I cut that out and I used a glue stick to attach it to one side of the disc. Then you want to flip your disc over vertically and glue on a small heart. Next, take a sharp pencil and poke two holes, one on either side of your disc. Then cut out two long pieces of string and feed it through the holes on either side. Next, hold the string between your thumb and your forefinger, and you're going to wind it up. You may have to do this quite a bit to get it ready. Now when you pull back, your images should be flashing by quickly in the opposite direction, blending into one, and it should look like the heart is in the hand. There are so many different options for your thaumatrope images. You could choose the traditional one of a bird in a cage, or how about a man in a hat, or a duck in a pond, or stars in the sky. Your imagination really is the limit here. I found this particular design by watching a YouTube video by Robert Mahar. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'd love to see what you've been working on. Please use the hashtag VPLAtHome for a chance to be featured on our social media channels. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks again. See you soon. Bye-bye.